Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have here the Corolla, and what we're going to do is we're going to restore this assembly, the assembly for your wipers, because as you guys can see, this thing has seen a lot of better days. So we're going to sand them down. We're going to apply one layer of primer, and then after that we're going to apply 3 layers of paint. This should be a straightforward process. We'll do it right now.
It's all about the little things that make your car look better. But real quick, since you guys are watching this 86 video, go ahead and look at these two American cars and just in the comments tell JP they're better.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get going with this process. Here we go. Okay, so at this point we have cleaned them up. We used some sort of MEK, or in this particular case we used brake parts cleaner. All you have to do is just spray a little bit on it, rub it down, see, just to be able to decontaminate as much as you can. You can see already, as is, a massive difference. You can no longer see the rust over there. So this one, they're very smooth, and so we are ready to apply primer. We're going to do 1 layer of primer, and then after that we're going to do 3 layers of black paint. Alright, so now that we are ready to spray the primer, this is what I'm going to be using right here. So we're just going to do 1 coat all over the place. We're going to let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll turn it around and do another one so that we can get both sides. At this point, like I said, we're already sanded down, and we are pretty much ready to go. Primer first, and then we'll apply some paint. Okay, so they're primed now, and the last thing we have to do is just apply some of this. I got this trim paint, allegedly OEM, so that's what we're going to apply right now.